You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Indian cricketer. If you want to learn more names from cricket, make sure to stay tuned. We got tons more confusing ones coming up at the end of the video. Sachin. How to pronounce Sachin Baby. Easy once you know in English here the pronunciation of his name, Sachin Baby. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.